What is analytic function? If your function is differentiable around the neighborhood of that, correct? Then that function is called analytic function. And where is it? Yeah, the function ये हो गया. Yeah, here is that singular point definition. This is the definition for analytic function. Function must be differentiable in some neighborhood of that point. Okay. Yeah. And we give you example f of z equal to 1 by z. This is analytic, uh, each non-zero point, correct, except z equal to 0, because it is not differentiable at z equal to 0. And what about this? This is not analytic because this is not differentiable at any point, any non-zero point. This is differentiable at z equal to 0. So if you take uh, any neighborhood, then that will not contain any point which is analytic. Okay. Now let us see one more thing, that is harmonic function. A real valued function h of two real variable x and y said to be harmonic in given domain of xy plane if plane if throughout that domain it has continuous partial derivatives of the first and second order and satisfy the given equation and satisfy the PDE, partial differential equation, that is hxx of x comma y plus hyy of x comma y, that is equal to 0. uh, and this equation, actually this PD is known as Laplace equation. जो फिजिक्स में शायद तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा ये लैपलास इक्वेशन, और अगर पीडी कोर्स होता तो उसमें पूरा यही भरा रहता, लैपलास इक्वेशन. Okay, so when do you say a function is harmonic function? When that function is continuous and it has first and second order partial derivative and वो एक equation satisfy करनी चाहिए, that equation is called Laplace equation, hxx plus hyy, that is equal to 0. So is the definition clear? So harmonic function कभी भी बोले, so you need to understand this thing, hxx plus hyy, that is equal to 0, and where h is having some property, that is it has continuous partial derivative of first and second order. Perfect. So there is a theorem, analytic function is related to this guy, theorem. A function, if a function f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus I times v of x comma y is analytic in a domain D, then its component function u and v are harmonic in D. Perfect. So this is what you want to prove, correct? So f of z is equal to u plus iv. It is analytic in a domain D, and you want to prove the component function u and v are harmonic. What do you mean by harmonic? That means uxx plus uyy, that should be equal to 0. vxx plus vyy, that should be equal to 0. Correct? See, let us start. F is analytic in D. What do you mean by that? If function is analytic, then it is differentiable, then it has what? Then it will satisfy CR equation, correct? So can I directly write this as the first order partial derivative? Partial derivative satisfies CR equation of component function. Satisfy CR equation. What do you mean by that? That means ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. This is what you are having. अपने को क्या चाहिए था? What do we want? We want uxx, no? So can I partial differentiate with respect to x? Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So what will be this? This will be uxx, that will be equal to vyx, and here this will be uyx, that will be equal to minus vxx. Do you agree? Say this is equation 1. I am differentiating with respect to x. Can I differentiate with respect to y also? Differentiate equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 both side with respect to y and 3. Y से किया तो ये क्या आएगा? This will be uxy and that will be vyy, and next this will be uyy, that is equal to minus vxy. Okay, perfect. Yes, now since the partial derivative, since the function is differentiable, so partial derivatives, first order partial derivatives are continuous also. As you know that differentiability का हम लोग ने sufficient condition proof किया था, correct? When do we say it is sufficient? When partial derivatives are continuous and they satisfy CR equation. So अगर partial derivative continuous है तो vyx is same as bxy. Same happens with yx is same as uxy. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So do you see that? That means what? vyx will be same as vxy and uyx, that will be same as uxy. What do you want to check whether it is? Yes, you should write the by continuity of partial derivatives of u and v. What you are having? Uyx, that is same as uxy, and vyx, that is same as vxy. Nice. So we can apply it in the previous one. That means what do you want to consider? Uxx plus uyy. What will be that? Uxx is same as vyx, so this is same as vyx, and uyy is same as minus vxy, that is minus vxy. So what are you having? Both the things are same, no? So this is 0. Similarly, vxx plus vyy, that is also 0. What do you mean by that? That means u and v are harmonic function. Correct? This is what we wanted to prove. Its component function are harmonic in the domain D. Harmonic function in D. Correct? Everything we are doing in that domain. Okay? So this is also this is also a necessary condition for me to have analyticity. That is, a function, whether it is analytic or not, it should have. If it is analytic, then its component must be harmonic. So to prove it is not analytic, you just have to show that either u or v, they are not harmonic. Correct? We'll see that. Okay, let us define one more term, that is harmonic conjugate. Then we'll do some example. If two or I think I should first write, if two given functions u and v are harmonic in a domain D and their first order PDE and their first order partial derivatives satisfy CR equation. Throughout D, throughout that domain D, then V is said to be harmonic conjugate of U. Perfect. Then V is said to be harmonic conjugate of U. Do you understand that? That means harmonic conjugate कब बोलेंगे? और V is said to be harmonic conjugate of U if U and V are satisfying first order partial derivative and CR equation. CR equation, that means what? Ux must be same as Vy and Vy must be same as Uy must be same as minus Vx. Correct? Now there is a mistake which mostly all the students used to do. They used to consider, see here the definition is for V is harmonic conjugate of U. If the definition is U is harmonic conjugate, correct? Then at the place in the CR equation, at the place of U I will be having V and at the place of V I will be having U. You must understand that जो अपना यूजुअल हम लोग CR equation यूज करते हैं उसके लिए V is said to be harmonic conjugate of U. These both things are not same. V is said to be harmonic conjugate is U is not same as U is harmonic conjugate of V. Both are not equal. Correct? V is harmonic conjugate of U, that is not same as U is harmonic conjugate of V. Same मतलब I am just talking about statement, and you need to understand that जब भी V harmonic conjugate of U बोला उसमें क्या आएगा CR equation Ux equal to Vy आएगा and Uy equal to minus Vx जो हम लोग पहले यूज करते थे. करेक्ट? बट इफ आई एम हैविंग U is harmonic conjugate of V, then what? Then at the place of U I will be having V. So ये क्या आएगा Vx equal to Uy and यहाँ पे क्या आएगा Vy equal to minus Ux. So you must understand. करेक्ट? सो याद रखना कभी भी अपना जो यूजुअल था वो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे V is said to be harmonic conjugate of U. Okay, and U and V are harmonic also. You see, if two given function U and V are harmonic in D and they satisfy CR equation, then we say that V is harmonic conjugate. मतलब दो कंडीशन चाहिए हार्मोनिक कॉन्जुगेट के लिए. एक क्या चाहिए तुमको, हार्मोनिक होना चाहिए, and second they must satisfy CR equation. Then you will see that they are V is harmonic conjugate of U. Why am I doing that actually? See, you just now see that you got a necessary condition. Perfect. That means if your function is analytic, then its component function is harmonic. This is what the necessary condition is. Perfect. Now you must ask, sir, does there exist any sufficient condition so that we can say function is analytic? That means if function is if function U and V are harmonic, then can I say analytic with some extra condition? I should have some extra condition. So that for that extra condition I am having this CR equation. That means what? Now I am going to prove analytic is same as U and V must be harmonic and CR equation. Ux equal to Vy, Uy equal to minus V. Do you agree? So now this is quite easy to prove something is analytic. You just have to check whether it is harmonic and whether it satisfies CR equation. Perfect. If any one of them is not satisfying, that means what? It is not analytic. And this is if and only if. So now to prove analytic is that is quite easy. Now let us prove this. And ये इन दोनों को अगर combine लिखना है तो this thing is same as V is harmonic conjugate of U, जो मैंने अभी just define किया. V is harmonic conjugate of U मतलब क्या? U and V must be harmonic and they satisfy CR equation. तो ये दोनों को combine मैं क्या बोलूँगा? That is V is harmonic conjugate of U. This is what I am having. Correct? These two are equal. Okay. Now let us prove this. अभी हम लोगों ने लिख तो लिया लेकिन next thing is to prove. Proof is quite easy. A function f of z that is equal to u of xy plus I times v of xy. This is your function is analytic in a domain D if and only if V is harmonic conjugate U. Okay. How will you prove this? Actually proof अगर देखो तो हम लोगों ने प्रूफ किया है by previous theorem. If f is analytic then we have proved that U and V are harmonic. Do you agree? जैसे यही प्रूफ किया था. किधर गया? यहाँ पे है. If function is analytic then U component U and V are harmonic. So ये हम लोगों ने पहले से प्रूफ किया है. What extra I need to prove? हार्मोनिक कॉन्जुगेट के लिए एक्स्ट्रा क्या चाहिए? हार्मोनिक होना चाहिए एंड इट मस्ट सेटिस्फाई CR इक्वेशन. सो नाउ आई वांट टू प्रूव if f is analytic or that is also follows. I'll just write also. Actually मुझे नंबर ही नहीं देना चाहिए थ्योरम का, तो I should have referred that. If f is analytic implies f is differentiable implies f satisfies CR equation. Do you agree? प्रूफ किया है हम लोगों ने. If your function is differentiable then it satisfies CR equation. Look at the previous one. जो हम लोगों ने सबसे पहला CR equation को define कैसे किया था, solve कैसे किया था. We considered that function is differentiable, then we proved a relation that is Ux equal to Vi. So both things are true. I don't have to prove anything. It follows from the previous theorem. Do you agree? So if f is analytic, that means U and V are harmonic, and if f is analytic implies f is differentiable, implies f satisfies CR equation. So I am having both the thing. Harmonic भी मिल गया मेरे को, CR equation भी मिल गया. So what is my conclusion? The conclusion is V is harmonic conjugate of U. Hence V is I won't able to write harmonic conjugate of U. This is what the proof is. Okay. So this was the region मैंने उधर अच्छे से प्रूफ किया so that यहाँ पे मेरे को ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगी. Correct. Now let us see. Let us do some example. F of x y that is equal to I should write f of z that is equal to say x square minus y square plus I times 2xy. Suppose this is my function. Check whether function is analytic or not. Can you do that quickly? What is my u? and what is my v? So what is the first thing you will do? See, CR equation is common for both the people. Do you agree? जो पहले भी हम लोगों ने एक सफिशिएंट कंडीशन देखा था, उसमें क्या था? द पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव मस्ट एग्जिस्ट एंड दे आर कंटिन्यूअस, एंड सेकेंड कंडीशन वाज CR इक्वेशन शुड सेटिस्फाई. इधर क्या है? फर्स्ट थिंग इज u and v must be harmonic, and second condition is CR equation. So CR equation is common, so it is good thing to start with CR equation. Let us check whether this satisfies CR equation or not. ux निकालो, ux is 2x, ux must be same as vy. vy क्या आएगा? 2x. परफेक्ट है, सेम है. Now uy is minus 2y and y is vx is minus 2x. So ये भी negation. That means what? ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. That is satisfying. So it satisfies CR equation. What next thing you will do? अगर उधर क्वेश्चन करते तो हम लोग को डायरेक्ट ही दिखता था, बिकॉज ईच पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव मस्ट बी कंटिन्यूस. कंटिन्यूस है खत्म. बट नाउ लेट अस चेक वेदर इट इज हार्मोनिक और नॉट. ux है मेरे पास, ux निकालो. ux विल बी 2 एंड uy है, uyy निकालो. uyy विल बी minus 2. So uxx plus uyy, that is equal to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. That means what? U is harmonic. हो गया. Similarly, let us do Vx is already given, so Vxx will be minus 2, and Vy is already given 2x, so Vyy will be oh wait, is that Vy is this? Vx लिखा तो Vx is I think I did some mistake here. I'm writing it as Vx को मैंने minus 2 of x लिखा है ना. U और V, okay. This should not be minus, na? Yeah, this should not be minus. See, Vx क्या आएगा? It will be just 2y. Correct? That's why ये नेगेटिव का इक्वल है ना. And Vy will be 2x. So Vx is correct. So I'm having Vx is 2y and Vy is 2x. So Vxx क्या आएगा? What is Vxx? It will be 2. And what is Vyy? What is Vyy? It is again 2. Correct? So what is the conclusion? Yes? That means what? Yeah, I think did I make some mistake here? Minus 2y, ठीक है. And Vy is Vx is 2y and Vy is 2x, na? Yeah, that will be 0. Sorry. Huh. Do you see? I'm sorry for that. See, Vy is 2x. अगर इसको with respect to y किया तो वो तो पहले से 0 हो गया ना. That means what? I'll just erase this thing. I hope you understand that. That was not difficult. Vy is your 2x. So अगर Vyy किया तो that is 0. Same Vx is 2y. अगर Vxx किया that is also 0. So here we are getting Vxx plus Vyy, that is equal to 0. That means what? U and V are harmonic and they satisfy CR equation. So what can you say? V is harmonic conjugate of U. Do you agree? Now my question was whether V is harmonic conjugate of U. Can I say that U is harmonic conjugate of V? Can you say u is harmonic conjugate of v? That means what? If I replace the real with imaginary and imaginary with real, that means what? Let us check this. अगर इसको 2xy बोला and इसको x square minus y square बोला I. So can you check whether they satisfy CR equation and whether they are harmonic? Can you quickly do that? ux क्या आएगा 2y and vy क्या आएगा